saw my doctor last week, Thursday. In my vision, my right eye, went backwards by 20 points. My left eye continued to stay the same, which, we expect to have good and bad days. However, what is the success is the range of field sight. I've been taking the test for the past 5 years, and there have been no improvement until last week, Thursday. And the left eye, there was a 7% improvement. The right eye, which is the bad eye, there was a 5% improvement. So all in all, it was not a bad visit.